In this video, we're going to see how you can customize your payment methods so you can reorder, rename, or hide certain payment methods depending on certain rules that you have set. As you can see, this was used to say credit card, but now it says preferred method. So to do this, you go into our app, click on configure under payment section. We have three different options over here, similar to delivery and shipping customizations. So the most straightforward one is reorder, where you can add a payment method, whatever is the payment method that you have. You just type it out over here and you will see a list of all the available payment methods that we have on this Dropbox here, and you will have to select from them. In case you don't see your custom payment method or you don't see that your payment method is here, you can always reach out to us and we can get that enabled over here. And you just add multiple payment methods that you may have set up on your store, and you can just drag and drop them to reorder them in any way that you want. So this is how to reorder your payment methods. You can also rename your payment methods by just adding a payment method. You can say either is if you know the exact name, or you can put contains and you just select which is the payment method that you want to edit and rename it to whatever you want. And that's how you rename your payment methods. And to hide the payment method, you add the payment method. You can say the payment method is or contains select from a given list of payment methods that we have. Again, if you don't see a payment method over here, do reach out to us in the in-app chat and we can get that set up for you. So just select the payment method that you have and you add the conditions on when you want to hide this. So the conditions that we have are based on collection. So if a product from a certain collection is there, then this payment method will be hidden. Cart total, cart subtotal. So the difference between total and subtotal is subtotal does not have any discount value involved in it, is including the discounted value of the cart. Product vendors and product types. So if you have a specific vendor or specific type that does not take a specific payment, you can hide that for if these products are present. Cart attributes and line item attributes, in case you have some specific customizations on these products that you can't take a specific payment method for. You can use these rules to hide when a specific cart attribute or line item attribute is present in your cart and whether a gift card product is present or not. So these are the rules that we have. You can add multiple rules and select if you want all the rules to apply or only when some rules apply. And whenever these rules are satisfied, this payment method will be hidden in your checkout. And that's how you hide a payment method based on different rules. And if you want to hide another one, you can just add another payment method and add a rule over here. And that's how you can hide the payment methods. Hope this helps. Let me know if you need any help, or if you can't find your payment method in the list that we have, we can help you get that set up. Thank you.